my hair. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I look hot now. No, I look like, yeah. Okay, thank you. I know.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay, all I want.
I know you want it, boy, I see you shining. Just keep permission from the legend. Just close your eyes, make sure that he make you school, yeah. You know these times were when Nicki Minaj was taking out bangers, bro, like bangers, you know. But anyway, let's get right straight into it. What's up? You know the vibes. This is your boy Buti yktv, otherwise known as Masimma, and I'm back with another exclusive video. I mean, so I think the lighting is better this side. Don't mind the background and stuff like that. I'm in the bathroom right now, so, and I'm looking myself in the mirror. So you guys, I know I'm not looking straight into the camera, but like I am, the lighting is better this side, I think. Okay. So basically, I know you guys see my hair, like right now it looks like a fucking mess. Yes, it is a mess, but I'm gonna wash it right now, and then I'm going to cut it, and then after that I'm gonna show you guys how do I actually bleach my hair, or how do I apply bleach. Bleach, yes. So I'm gonna show you guys step in step how am I going to apply it. But first I'm just going to cut my hair because literally I can't, and I need to wash it and comb it first because yeah. We will still edit. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and obviously like, share, and comment and subscribe. You know, support your boy. Road to 1,000 subscribers. So let me get on and wash my hair, then I'm gonna go show you guys. This is day 1 of the bleach, so I'm gonna show you guys every single step, like each and every single thing I'm gonna be doing throughout the whole way of myself bleaching my hair. And it's my first time bleaching my hair, so I'm literally freaking out, but I think it's gonna go okay. I think it's gonna go great. So yeah. This is day 2, because like this is day 2 because I went to cut my hair and this is how it looks. Pelana, I did not want to apply this bleach thing without cutting my hair first. Like I see a lot of people like they actually like applying it first then go cut their hair after. I do not prefer that. I prefer like what I, and like literally this is my first time I bought this. This is the bleach that I'll be using, you see. So I watched a lot of videos for this, not even 2 videos actually. I watched something like, I think his name is like Jay Peresi. I hope I'm getting this one. I know Jay, but Peresi or something like that. I've watched him do it. So yeah, and I also watched Tariq's video. So yeah, so now this is basically how I prefer it, this is my first time actually doing this, like so you can imagine how crazy it must be for me. But anyway, I think we're gonna go cool. First, you know what, I'm going to take like our Vaseline, obviously Vaseline, to apply it here so that you don't burn your skin, or should I say scalp, I don't know, whatever you call it. I'm going to be looking in the mirror, so I won't be watching, I won't be focused here a lot. So yeah, please bear with me with that, because now I'll be watching, I will be looking myself in the mirror and applying this, because wow, like literally I am super like freaking out. But anyway, and what was it? Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and never like, share, and comment and subscribe. I mean, you know, go to a million subscribers. I mean, you know, go to 1,000,000 subscribers. Let's go, hey. Let me take this other mirror and then watch myself and see if I'm doing, you know, the right things at the back, because I can't see myself at the back. I can't see myself at the back, so I will take another mirror. Here's another mirror, so at least now I can see. I think I'm good. So what I'm gonna do next is mix this. So yeah. I took off Vaseline, so yeah. So I saw Jay Perez. He used like 2 of these. Like I feel like it will be a waste of money. So I'm just gonna use 1. I'm gonna use half of it. As you guys can see, this is how it comes. I'm gonna mix in. So if you guys need it, it's like 40 bucks, I think, or 45 and 45 rand. No, it's not 40 bucks, it's 45 rand. So it's not that but yeah, it's not that like expensive and stuff like that, you know. Yeah, this song is into my head, like speed song is into my head. So basically, this is day 2, and this is how my head looks right now. So that was the first layer of the dye, and as you guys can see, like it's black here because I did not apply dye here, and I think a little bit here. So today I'm gonna start be applying it where like there's mostly like dark spots, the bleach where it's like this mostly, where it's mostly black. It's not like bleached or, you getting me? And one thing, guys, I didn't like, one thing like you guys have to know is that your head will burn, like you will feel your hair burning when you apply this. Like on a serious note, you will feel it burning. And I just woken up and it's about like, I don't know, 11 a.m, something like that. So you know what I'm gonna do first? I am going to apply the Vaseline again, just like, you know, doing yesterday's application, you know. Vodka. So guys, this is like after an hour and 30 minutes. So yo, my head is burning. I combed it to check if if the hair is not falling out. So that's why it's like this. Like my hair is burning, so I'm gonna wash it right now because wow, it's literally like burning and yo, I can't stand this. Like, so let me wash it and show you guys like how it looks. But I'm feeling this, like I'm liking this, like literally I'm liking the way my hair looks, even though I'm burning now. I'm burning. Oh, my head is burning, so let me wash my hair. My hair looks right now like I just washed it. It looks like this, so it's kind of like a bit scary. So hey, but I love the curls. I'm feeling there's curls, but it looks scary. Look at my, it looks like, you know, I don't have hair. But I saw people pull through after this, so let me kind of put shampoo on and then wash it and see how it looks after, you know. So I think this is how to dye your hair platinum blonde. As you guys can see here, there's like, it's like, I don't know this color, it's like a bit of yellowish and something. It's because of like I did not dye here like the last time I did. If you watch this whole video, you understand. So this is literally how to dye your hair platinum blonde. So yeah, while we edit, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share and do all those kind of crazy things. I will leave the pictures of Jay Perez's YouTube video of where I saw this dye and stuff like that, and I will leave Tariq also's video. I'll mention them in the comment. So yeah, thank you for watching up till this far. So this is how my hair looks. I'm just gonna put in, you know, my hair moisturizer and stuff like that to make my hair kind of, you know. So yeah, but I love curls. I just hope they don't go out because I'm loving them. I'm loving these curls. I'm loving these curls. So yeah, please subscribe. Please, 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 please. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and you know, comment what you do when you dye your hair platinum blonde. What shampoo do you use? So next time I can use those things, and you know, next time I can buy those things. And yeah, so I love my hair. Like I'm loving my hair right now. Like on a serious note, I'm loving my hair. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I look hot now. Now I look like, yeah. Okay, thank you. I know.